In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this kind of double head photo manipulation in PS Touch. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, welcome back. So let's get started. Maybe I want to go ahead and add a blank document. Let's make it 1000 by 1000. Click OK. Alright, so now let us import the both models. So click right here, click here, click on photo layer and photo library. So let's select this image first, click on add. So I'll put this one, okay, right here. It's not bad. Done. So let us import the other one. Click here, photo layer, photo library. Click on add. So I'll scale her down a bit. Scale her down a bit. Put her maybe right here. So let me click OK. I'm going to reduce the opacity so I can see it clearly. Alright, click on transform again. Take it to the top. I think I'll turn off snap so we can move it freely. Okay, I think this is fine. Yeah, let's take this. Done. So I'll bring it back up at 100%, and this time click right here, click on fade. So pick a linear fade like this. Just fade her out. Okay. Done. Go to fade again. This time direct it to this to fade out there. Okay. So now using the eraser tool, so select the eraser tool, click on brush, take the hardness down, or maybe take it somewhere here. So just click right here to clear it from here. No, take the hardness to 0%. Just click, just fade it out. Okay, maybe we want to do the same thing right here. No, so we want to do the same thing right here at the air. Okay, maybe for the ears, we're going to take the hardness a bit to the top and just dab like so. Okay, now let us try and blend a bit. As you can see, it has a bit of a cyanish magentish air and has a bit more cyanish. So let's see if we can blend that. Click right here, make sure you are in a layer, click on adjustment and curves. So first of all, let's go to red and let's take the red down at the shadows and take it up maybe like so. I think I'll take it down at this side. We only want it to affect the dark side. So now let us go to green. You know, green is the opposite of magenta, so when we remove green, we are simply adding magenta. So maybe we should darken it a bit. Okay, not the best job, but I think it works. So I'll click on done. Let's take a look at the before and after. So this is the before and here's the after. I think it blends in better. So now what you want to do is to click right here and merge both down. So we have them in one layer. So let me just come over to transform, put it at the middle. Let me turn on snap. Okay, just snap in at the middle. Done. So I would love to create some shiny effects. So I want to use my marquee selection tool. So I want to create some shiny effects. To do that, click right here, duplicate this layer. Done. Click right here, select pixels, come over to effects and click on stylize and threshold. So click on the 4 color, take it down and come over to threshold, increase it. Yeah, come over to smoothness, increase it. So let's go to threshold again, increase it even further. As you can see, it's creating some shiny effects at the skin. I really like those. Should we play with the smoothness even more? Okay, so threshold. Okay, I think this one looks fine. Done. So this is the before and the after. So let's deselect. So before and after. So let's do that again, but this time we'll apply it to the shadows. So duplicate, click right here. Sorry, click on the top layer, click right here, select pixels, come over to effects, threshold, but this time we're going to take this back color down, click on the 4 color. So let's put it to this side so we'll see what we are doing. Click on the 4 color, increase it. Let's reduce it first. Click on this eyedropper tool, color picker tool, and pick the color of the air and now increase it. We're in the wrong section. We are supposed to be in this one. So pick on this. Okay, so now we can increase it in there. Now click on threshold. Think you want to reduce it a bit. I think this will help blend in the airs a bit. Done. So before, after. So let's deselect it. Before and after. I'm going to erase it from the face. I only want that to be at the air. Okay, nice. So now let us give this a background. So click on the bottom. This one is an empty layer. Click right here, fill it. Done. Add an empty layer above it. Then click right here, click on gradient. So use a radial gradient like this. So let's click right here. Let's take this part up. Okay, this is nice. Done. So you can move over to Snapseed and do some color grading. But for me, I think I'll stop here. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.